Kiwi, the Pacman frog, the baddest frog in town. Hey guys, I hope you are having a great and blessed day. So I'm coming back to IKEA. I saw on a Facebook group that they have the greenhouses for $9.99. So hopefully I find it. So come along and let's see if I find it. Late night IKEA shopping. Hopefully they have the greenhouse. What I found, guys, a cabinet. Really nice. For 300 bucks. Grow your joy, create the perfect home for your plant children. Really nice. I wonder if it comes with that light. They have ficus, they have snake plants, they have coffee plants, they have dracaenas, they have money trees, Dracaena marginata, they have palms, they have these snake plants, sansevierias, $19.99. Really nice. They have these ones and then they have these other ones. They have a bird's nest fern for $15.99. And they also have Adansonii for $19.99. How big are they? It's a decent size. They have Kellen Koi for $5.99. Really nice. They have these succulents. $4.99. These are cute. Sansevieria. Have a calathea. Bromeliad. More calatheas. Wah! I was late. They don't have any more. Well, that sucks. But, I mean, it's okay. Oh, look at this monster. It's huge. And they have them over here in smaller for $4.99. Ain't I lucky? So I asked the worker there and she told me that they didn't have any more. So she offered me the display and she gave me a little discount because, you know, so $5.41. I'm back in my truck. Yay! I found it. I'm so happy. So it was, originally it was $24.99. Then it went down to $14.99. And then it was $9.99. That was the price that I was looking for, that I was looking to pay. But since they didn't have any more, because the employee, she was telling me that a customer had came and he purchased all of them. So I guess he's gonna sell them online, or I don't know, or maybe he is gonna use them for his plants. But I got the display and I got it for $5. Can you believe it? $5.41. So that is a super steal. And hopefully I'm gonna try fern, lemon button fern. So hopefully I don't kill it, because I know the last one that I had, I struggled with humidity and it died. So hopefully, but let's see what happens. But if you like what you saw, please like and subscribe, and I'll be seeing you on the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.